Welcome, little masters. Today we will learn the domestic animals' name and their sounds. So let's begin. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Bull, B-U-L-L, bull. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Pig, P-I-G, pig. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Bee, B-E-E, bee. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Hen, H-E-N, hen. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel.